Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So today we are beginning our part one of our eBay budget drift car build. So about a third of the eBay parts has shown up. Basically I ordered about $600 in eBay parts that if I had ordered parts for the FRS, it would have been well over $3,000 because the FRS gets name brand parts, not all this Chinese garbage. So all the links to all this shit will be in the description below. So the first thing we're gonna do is our hood prop rods. Then I'm gonna finish the video on the headlights. We got a new gas pedal. It's apparently, well, it's a shit design. I mean, it's a German car, right? But then we got this air intake, which is obviously wrong. And unfortunately, I had ordered it before I even opened the hood of the car. So this is a mass air pressure port. But the car uses a mass airflow. So the eBay listing, I double checked, it says E36 328i, and that's what this car is. So whatever retard that listed this on eBay obviously had no idea what they were doing. So I got to return it, and then now I got to order another one, and it won't be here for the weekend, so I probably won't be able to drive the car this weekend. So that's extremely frustrating. Anyway, so let's get started with the hood struts. So the first thing I noticed is that the OEM hood strut, it's missing its safety clip and it's backwards. You're not supposed to install it inverted like this. So because I got the hood supported, I should be able to pull it out without consequence. And then back in here, the safety clip is still there. So all I need to do is pull that clip off or just up, and it should pop. Well, hold on. Okay, try two. We're gonna take a big flat blade screwdriver and pop the clip off. It's really hard to hold a camera and do work at the same time. I'm just gonna turn the camera off. Okay, that clip was rusted on so badly that I just had to break it off. So now we basically put our rod in, and of course this fucking box is in the way. Again, one hand is really kind of screwing me over here. Fuck this camera. Okay. So it's in, so you just push down. It should clip itself. It should not be able to release. Okay, now you're probably wondering, well, what do I do about this one to this one? Whatever you do, don't try and compress the strut, just lift the hood up until it goes in. And we're gonna do that again without the freaking camera. Okay, that one's in. One thing I noticed is that this clip here has to be opposite this clip. So they installed them wrong from the factory. I mean, it's eBay garbage, so I mean, not really surprised. So this needs to be opposite of this. Okay, so now let's put this in the other side. Okay, so I'm already starting to get upset with this eBay garbage. So as I was putting that strut in, this strut broke free because the locking clip wasn't working right. So now I gotta basically start over. Wonderful. Okay, so the locking clips, actually, this angle here is wrong. It's not tight enough on the groove in the rod, so I'm gonna smash this down a little bit to make it tighter. Okay, so now this one is properly locked, so now I need to get this one out, because you can see the shape. Back up, come on. See how the shape is too angled to fit in the groove? So they designed this, or they copied this clip wrong. So that's really dangerous. You could frickin' bash your head open on that. Okay, so no matter what I did, I could not get this clip to lock. I just couldn't get it to lock. So I used safety wire, wrapped it around extremely tight in the groove, and then around this. And so now we should be good to continue with our project. So we will go to the next eBay item, which I guess we can do the throttle pedal real quick. Should be easy. Should be. So aside from the interior still being soaking wet from the leaking top, the OEM gas pedal broke off, and that's actually very common because it's such a shit design. I mean, a piece of plastic that flexes, really. But there's some kind of locking mechanism. And I'm trying to figure out and kind of understand how that locking mechanism works so I can get the pedal, the old pedal piece, back out of the car. So my guess is if I unlock it, it should come right out. Again, should is the key word. I'm gonna go get a big flat blade. Okay, so I'm actually starting to think there's oil in here because whenever I step on the floor, it makes a big boot print and then I slide. But then it dries up overnight, but it takes all night to dry up. So something's not right about that. But anyway, so the lock is unlocked. Screwdriver. Oh boy. Yeah, she's I don't really understand how this works. You know, like, is there something underneath I'm not seeing? There's a chance that there's something in here. Like, see these tabs? There's like, those might be some kind of locking mechanism that I'm... Oh, it goes down onto a piece of sheet metal. Holy crap. Is it permanent? How the hell am I gonna get that out? Look at that, there's little locking tabs. Oh boy. I have a feeling this is going to be a huge... Also, what the hell is this hole here supposed to... Oh, that's the throttle stop. Might be why the throttle broke. Okay, anyway. How I'm gonna get this out? Man. I don't know. I'm gonna turn the camera off so I can use both hands to mess with it. Okay, so I got it. I had to get under the carpet, and you can see I pulled back those locking tabs and then pried up. And this lock here, the center lock's way more resilient than it looks. As you can see, it already sprung back into position. So basically I had to hold open 3 locks at the same time and then pull up. So now I don't have a C-clip for this. So what I'm gonna do what I did with the hood, and I'm gonna go get some safety tie, and I'm gonna safety tie it. I don't know. I'm gonna go look for a C-clip. I think I might have one. Anyway, so I'm gonna do that before I install the bottom part, because if I have any trouble, like accidentally ripping it, then I wanna, you know, get it out easier. Okay, so I couldn't find a C-clip the right size, so I just used a washer and then some safety wire, and then I'll just have to keep a close eye on it. So now you just bend it up like this, and then you come down here, and you get it. Uh-oh. Did I screw up? Was I supposed to put the bottom in first? Are you fucking kidding me? No, wait. Hold on. Oh, God damn, I hate working with one hand. This is killing me. So, okay, there we go. So this should... What's the deal? Come on. Just go in where you belong. I need to use both hands. Okay, so I had to really gently beat on it with a hammer, but... Interesting. But I got it in, but then I noticed that the gas pedal... Look at that. That's fucking safe. So I don't even know how I'm gonna fix that. Probably with more safety wire. Anyway, that's not part of our eBay garbage build, but now we will go on to the next eBay part, which will be, well, the headlights are a different video, so that's really all I got for now. I will Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. So just to show you guys, I safety wire tied it, and now it's functional and safe. So, yep, I just wish the throttle stop was still there. I might go on eBay and look for one. It looks like it got ripped out, but we'll find out, because the throttle stop missing is probably why this cheap ass thing broke. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Try not to hold me down, feeling like